Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. So today I am coming to you all. And before I get started, I'm going to say, Heavenly Father, thank you for another wonderful day. Thank you, Lord, for allowing us to see another wonderful and awesome day. Okay, y'all. So basically, y'all know I have been talking about this bargain bead box, right? This solstice warmth, and I am going to show y'all how to make and create a pair of dangle earrings using this here bargain bead box. Okay, so I'm going to go over a few things that you will need in order to do this here how to make video. All right, so the very first thing I'm going to go over is I'm going to go over the beads, because I'm using a few things from the box. I'm using 4 different types of beads, okay? And of course, I'm using this fish hook. Now, this fish hook is 18 karat gold plated. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, y'all. This fish hook is a stainless steel fish hooks. I'm sorry, I was reading the wrong thing. Okay, stainless steel fish hooks. That's what this is. Okay, so you're gonna need 2 of those. You're gonna need I'm going down to that was number 2. I'm going down to number 5. Number 5, you're going to need 2 of the 8mm round glass beads, okay, which is this right here. So you're going to need 2 of these. And then I'm going down to number 8. Number 8, you're going to need, these are 6mm, so that's these right here. And you're going to need 10 of these. And these are called the carnelian round beads. So you're going to need 10 of those, 5 for each earring. Then I'm going to go down to number 9. You're going to, wait a minute. You're going to need 2 of these fancy rondelle beads. So 2 of these. Okay. And then I'm going to go down to, you're going to need some chain. All right. So you're going to need some chain. Okay, and I'll tell you the measurements of that. And then you're going to need, let's see here, 4mm. These are the 4mm going down to number 16. You're gonna need 10 of the 4mm faceted round beads. Okay, so you're gonna need 10 of these. Now, like I said, you're going to need 2 fish hooks, and I believe that's all that I am using for these earrings. Now, we're going to go ahead. You're going to also need some brass wire. So I'm using 2 different sizes of brass wire. Let me go ahead and give y'all these measurements that y'all are going to need, y'all. So you're going to need 2 pieces of the chain, and each piece needs to be at least 6 inches long. Okay. You're going to need 4 pieces of 20 gauge brass wire, or whatever wire you have that is 20 gauge. This first piece is also going to be 6 inches long. So you're going to need 2 pieces 6 inches long. And then you're going to need 2 pieces 12 inches long. okay? You're also going to need your wire cutters and your round nose pliers, okay? So let's go ahead and assemble this here earrings. All right, so the very first thing we want to do is we're going to take one piece of the long piece that's 12 inches long, and we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to come down, and we're going to come down about 1/2 inch, and we're going to make a loop. This is what it's going to look like, and then you're going to come and give it a little indentation, just like that. All right, now I'm going to take my pliers, hold it over, and wrap this. And you can wrap this as many times as you see fit. Just make sure that you count your wraps. I'm doing 3 wraps, okay? And the reason why I say that is because you want to count your wraps, because you want to make sure that your earrings are going to be, you want them to be the same size. Sometimes if you off with your wraps, you can either make your earring shorter or longer, and that is the truth, okay? So once you snip that off, we're going to take, because these are 3-in-1 pliers that I'm using, and I'm just going to take and squeeze that in, and you're going to have your loop, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding on my bead. So I'm going to start off with my 6mm. I'm going to add my 6mm bead on. Then I'm going to go and add on my 8mm. No, I'm sorry. This isn't 6, y'all. This is, wait a minute, hold up. I think that's 3mm, or is it 4mm? Wait a minute. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add on our 4mm bead. Then we're gonna add on our 6mm bead. So we're adding on our 6mm. All right, and then we're going to add on our 8mm, which is this one, and then we're going to add on another 8mm, which is this rondelle one right here, and then we're going to add on our very last bead right here. This is 6mm. So we're going to add these on. And you're going to have this. Now what you want to do next is you're going to bend your wire over, all the way over like this on your bead. And then you're going to try to come around and wrap your wire around your end bead. So you want to just take and bring it around just like this. You want to come all the way around. Okay, you're gonna come all the way over to this part right here where you first started. Once you come there, you're gonna bring your wire up and you're going to make a loop just like this. All right, you make your loop, then you're gonna take that when you finish making your loop, and you're gonna wrap it all the way around just like this. Come over to the other side, which you are going to be over on this side, okay? You're gonna have a loop here, and then you're gonna put another loop over here on this side. So you're gonna make another loop, just like this. See that? And then you're gonna come back over here, and you're gonna wrap this all the way around, okay? And you're gonna come over on this side. And then you're going to make another loop, okay? You make that loop, and then you're going to take and go over Once you make that loop, you're going to go over that bead at the top here, and then you're going to come up, and then you're going to wrap that over, and then you're going to come up to this part, and then just start wrapping it around your wire at the top, just like this. You want to do it a couple of times or until you see fit. All right, and this is pretty much what you are going to have. This is going to be your end result, and you're going to take your wire cutters and snip you're going to snip right here, just like that. You're going to take your pliers and you're going to squeeze that part in. All right, and this part of your earring has been completed. So this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, that's what you have. So you lay that right there. Then you're going to take this piece of wire, which is 6 inches, and you're going to bend it just like this. Okay. All right, you're going to take this part of your earring and slide it right on just like that. You're going to take 2 of these 4mm beads, and you're going to slide one on each side. So we're going to put one, wait a minute, I got both of them in my hand. We're going to put one on this side. Okay, and then we're going to put one we're going to add one on this side. So we're going to have one on both sides. Okay, just like that. Let me straighten this out. There it is. So this is what you're going to have. Okay, you want them to be close together. Then you're going to take your chain, and you're going to take one end and take it through your link. Now this is a very fine chain. Okay, take your chain and take it down, and then you're going to go over on the opposite side and do the same exact thing. Okay, let's see. All right, and there you have it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna have so far with your earring. And then you can bring this up like this. Now you're gonna add on 2 of these 6mm beads. So you're going to slide this down, one on one side, and then one on the other side. And then you're going to take your 4mm beads, and you're going to put one here, and then one here. Okay. Now what you want to do next is you're going to bend this like this, and you want to try to get it as even as possible. Okay, so you want to try to make it as even as possible on both sides. This is what you are going to have. Okay, now once you do that, you just want to take your pliers and place your pliers over top, and then you want to wrap whichever piece that you feel comfortable with. So I'm going to place this over like that, and then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to start wrapping it around this piece. I'm going to pinch this piece up and then just wrap this piece a few times. Actually, I'm going to wrap it about 3 times. So that's 1, that's 2, take it all the way around, and then this is 3, and take it all the way around. So once you finish wrapping it, this is what you're gonna have. It's gonna look like this, but then you straighten it up, pinch it together, and you just take your pliers and straighten it up. All right, and that's what you're gonna have, okay? Now what you wanna do next, I'm gonna come back here and just pinch it together. I'm gonna take my pliers, my round nose cutters, and snip just like that. And squeeze this in. Okay, and then the last thing you wanna do is you wanna put on your very last lead bead. I call these lead beads, any beads that's at the top. And then all you do is put that on like that. And then you wanna pinch over your wire, and you're gonna make a loop just like this. And then you wanna wrap this as many times as you see fit. You can do it 1 time and be done. So I'm gonna do it 1 time. Take my pliers and snip just like that. And then take my round nose and squeeze that in like that. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add on our fish hook. So we're gonna open this up and then just slide this on, close it up, okay? And then you have yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings, and these are different, okay? Different, very, very lightweight. These are very lightweight. They are so lightweight, y'all. When you make these, you're gonna be really, really comfortable with wearing them because they're so lightweight. You're gonna get a lot of compliments off these earrings. Trust me when I tell you. When people see these, they're gonna be like, those are so super duper cute, okay? So with that being said, go and make yourself plenty. This is the very first pair of earrings that I have created using the June's Bargain Bead Box. These will be in my shop. They will be for sale. Anybody that want to purchase these, they're going to be in my shop. So with that being said, I want to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. Please make sure that you thumbs up this video and share these videos so that other people can get this content. Okay, thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. So y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, and until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.